How to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat. After you've opened it up, you will need to find a filter. You can see the media upload option, tap on that. So from here, you can select any video that you want. So after you find the video that you like, long press on it until the video plays. On it, and the video should just click. You can tap on send to and send it to whomever you want. And that's basically how you do it. Tap on send, and if you go here, you will notice that it will get sent as a snap. So there you can see it was sent as a snap and not as a chat. And that's how you send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.